made your way to my channel, Saving with Stephanie J. Well, my Ipsy for the month of May came in, and I thought I would share it with you. Now, if you don't know, Ipsy is a $12 a month monthly beauty thing. And let's see. Always make sure you got everything out of your mailer, because sometimes they don't put everything down deep in here. This is $12 a month. And let's see what we got. First off, that wasn't in the bag, we've got 2 face masks. They're stuck together. It says Just Juice Up Pumpkin Mask and a Juice Up Tomato Mask. Okay, the tomato mask is supposed to be for, you put it on, it's in Japanese, put it on your face, remove in about 15 or 20 minutes, gently pat and allowing the formula to absorb, and the same here. So if y'all know anything about me, when I do a face mask of a night, you know, I'm laying in bed, and you know, you've got your face mask on, your lips scrub, and you're just, you're laying there like that. And you don't want to have to get up out of bed to go wash it off, because this is supposed to be something that's like a treat. And so I like things that you can just rub in. So I got 2 of those, like it. And look at this. This is the bag. Nice little, like kind of feels like not leather, but it's like a suede thing. Okay, let's see what all we got in here. Tell you what, I'll just pour it on my lap. Make it easy. On the inside, it's got like a dark chocolate brown. Love that. That would be nice taken on vacation or just drop into your said purse. First off in here, because we got the 2 face masks, and then we've got a makeup remover wipe by SB. By SB Soapbox. Okay, it's just like one. It's letting you try it, and your directions. Oh Lord, it's every day this print gets smaller and smaller. It says 1 packet and wipe, wash your face, discard the wipe, and then wash your face with it. Like that. Perfect to take on vacation. I'll put that in the bag. Then we have Pure Lease. Now we always get Pure Lease, and I always love their stuff. It's called The Ritual. Apply liberally as needed. Wait for moisture to soak in. Use under lipstick or as a lip gloss to smooth. Okay, you know I got a little lipstick on already, but we're going to do it a little bit more. Make sure this don't spit at me. It's got the little... Okay, there we go. Yeah. Like it. Again, good for your purse. Things like this I take to work and put in my nursing uniform pocket. So if, you know, if I need a little bit of lip moisture, and who don't at this time of year, and I will drop that in my pocket. So let's say during the night sometime, something happens and I lose this. Somehow it gets out of my pocket. I've not got a full-size product in there, so that makes me happy. So I've not really lost, you know, $20 or $30 worth of a lip serum, or, you know, 10 or 15 of a lip gloss. So that doesn't hurt my feelings a bit. And then I've got a Pure Brazilian. Let's see. This is with keratin. Ooh, it's a daily anti-frizz serum, a leave-in treatment for stronger, healthier looking hair. And this would do, it's got the safety seal on it. Let's see if I can take that off. Maybe. Lord have mercy. There we go. Let's see if it has any smell. Ooh, it smells good and soapy. Boy, that does smell good. Another thing to take on vacation, and this is it looks about like one fluid ounce. So really that would do a couple of hair washes, which is just fine with me because I wouldn't use, my hair is fairly fine and it's color treated and everything, but I normally, if I was at home, would not use that every day. But on vacation, you know, when you're out on the beach, if you go to the beach, would be great to use and take with you, and you could probably use it every time you washed your hair. Last thing is Mud Masky. Whoops. Whoops. It's M-U-D, mud, and then it's all in one word, and M-A-S-K-Y, Mudasky. Okay? And this is a mask. You're supposed to wash your face and hands, apply a thin coat to your face, leave on mask, and then looks like about 9 minutes. 7 to 9 minutes. So let's see if this smells. You know we got to smell everything. It's got the little protective thing. There we go. Have we got this before in anything? I think we've got something by Mudasky. Ooh. Okay, it's just like whoop, see it? Just like a clear serum. Let's do that again. Let's see. There, here we go. There we go. You need to kind of, and it's just a good mask. You just kind of need to take it like this. Ooh. Don't make a mess of me, baby. Kind of give it a shake up and just give it one of these. Make sense? I got this all over me. Look. Alrighty. That does not hurt my feelings in the least bit. I got my bag. I got, let's see, 2 face masks, which I will enjoy taking those on vacation. I got my lip stuff. Got my mud mask stuff. What else did I get? It would really help if I like clean this off before I started doing this. Is that all I got? Oh, and the face wash thing. So, to be able to take that on vacation, not bad. Alrighty. $12 a month, not bad. Alrighty, we will, and time to tell me down below what you thought your favorite thing is and what you thought of this month. Usually Ipsy, their $12 a month is a little bit more, but that is all right. All right, we will talk at you later. Bye.